Hello, and welcome to Kloeker Education Foundation, where we provide quality content for amazing teachers and students. If you're joining us from our previous video on business activities, welcome back. If this is your first time, we're glad you're here. This is our Intro to Business series, and this lesson is on business and society. Let's dive in. We have two objectives in this lesson: to describe the types of businesses that operate in our society and explain how business serves society. Now, for the types of businesses that operate in our society, you might be thinking, why is this important? So what? Well, business is an integral part of our society and our daily lives. It's nearly impossible to go through one's day or one's week without encountering some type of business. Business rely on customers to make money and to stay in business, and for word-of-mouth communication. Customers rely on business to purchase the goods, the products, and services they need and want, and for the other ways that business benefits society. Now, there are different types of businesses. Three broad categories that we're going to cover are producers, trade industries, and service businesses. Producers, these are people who make or provide goods and services. They are the foundation upon which all other businesses develop, and they are the raw good producers. For example, they produce goods in their natural states, such as fisheries, mines, and farms. Manufacturers shape or form materials that will be useful to consumers, such as turning wood into paper or sand into glass and cotton into clothing, as some examples. Builders, of course, construct roads, bridges, schools, buildings, and our infrastructure, etc. And all of these contribute and are classified as producers. Trade industries, such as retailers that sell to the ultimate consumer, and wholesalers traditionally sell to retailers or other businesses. Examples such as Costco Wholesale. They move goods from producers to consumers or industrial users. Other examples of retailers might include Macy's, Best Buy, Walmart, and more. Trade industries can differ based on a number of factors such as size, the kinds and variety of products sold, ownership, amount of service, prices, and existence of premises. When it comes to trade industries, retailing may take place in a store, over the phone, in a customer's home, or in another person's home, by mail, through vending machines, on a street corner, or even online. All of these are places where retailing may take place. Lastly, we have service businesses. Now, service businesses perform intangible activities that satisfy the needs and wants of the consumer and industrial users. Some of these industries include housing, household operations such as hotels and motels, recreation, ranging from theaters to theme parks, personal care, salons, spas, medical care, other healthcare such as dentistry or vision, private education such as a driver's course or private schools, business services such as consulting, legal services, transportation such as renting or selling cars, insurance and finance, and communication, which is vital to the infrastructure of business and society. Now let's talk about how business serves society. Businesses have a social responsibility, the business duty to contribute to the well-being of society, and this comes in many ways, such as maximizing profits, They achieve this by offering quality products at competitive prices, by meeting the needs of the consumers, by minimizing costs and expenses. Businesses also contribute to society by contributing to the public interest, by supporting environmental efforts, participating in advisory councils, financially supporting art, education, research, etc. Businesses are responsible to protect the user. The user needs to feel safe with quality products. Protect the community through production, employment, taxes, and controlling pollution. Now, there are some social responsibilities the employees have for keeping a safe working environment, job satisfaction, and the company has the social responsibility to maximize profit. Now, let's take this information from the lesson and apply it to a scenario that we might be familiar with. Think about your community and either keep track on paper or in your head. List examples of producers, trade industries, and service businesses in your community. Try to think of 2 to 3 of each. How do they demonstrate social responsibility? How has it benefited your community? Now let's take these ideas and this information and apply it to a situation so we can continue to build strong ethics and character in business through the gray zone. Businesses may contribute to public interest that employees find controversial. They may feel that their employer's time or money is going to support or oppose sensitive issues, or they may just disagree with the company's stance on the issue. What do you think about this? Should a company's owner have sole discretion on public contributions, or do employees' opinions count for public contributions? And that wraps up our lessons. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. It's truly been a pleasure putting this series together for you. If you missed any of the videos, please check them out on YouTube and Rumble. We have the whole series posted. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can explore more of our educational content through series like biology, world geography, world history, U.S. history, AP U.S. history, finance, government, and more, all available free through our video series on YouTube and Rumble. We have even more educational content posted on Teachers Pay Teachers and the Kloeker Education Foundation website, where we provide quality content for amazing teachers and students. Thank you again so much for spending this time with me, and I'll see you in the next series.